Okay, we will answer this one. Find the product of the square of the quantity of x minus 3. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, so since squared yan, so i-double natin yung x minus 3 tsaka x minus 3. Okay? Ayusin ko lang ha. So, ano ba yan? Okay, double natin yan. Then, apply natin yung first, outer, inner, and last. So, dito muna tayo sa first. Multiply natin yan. So, that would be x squared. Outer, yan. Multiply natin yan. So, that is negative 3x. Inner, yan. Negative 3 multiply kay x. So, negative 3x. Then, last, negative 3 times negative 3. So, that is positive 9. Then, combine like terms. X squared minus, ito, combine natin yan. So, mag-add tayo ng the same sign. We have to copy their common sign, then add. So, this is negative 6x, then plus 9. Okay, so sa choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.